Now we get to talk about this courting ritual here. This one's called Widow Penegasi. It's about a young lady that's well loved by a young man in the village. And he talks about all the things he's saving up for her wedding. When it's time to marry her, he's got sheets and pillowcases, and lots of peat saved, ready to go. And the thing he likes best about her, of course, is that she has 10 pounds in the bank. And you get to sing along with us here. Everybody can sing along a little Welsh here. I need you to sing Diwec fa la 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 la, Diwec fa la 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 la, Diwec fa la 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 la. And roughly translated, that means Diwec fa la 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 la. We'll do that part, and you can try it a couple of times with it. It goes Diwec fa la la la, Diwec fa la la la, Diwec fa la la la.
got his Jericho hat, and he's ready for a journey, with basket shoes so fine and a suit of homemade flannel. His horse is up to snuff, he's ready